In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pandadoc Smart Content to automate your documents effectively. Whether you're looking to streamline your documentation process or improve efficiency, Pandadoc offers a robust solution to help you tackle these tasks with ease. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of these powerful tools. First, you'll want to head over to Pandadoc's website. You can simply type in the URL or search for Pandadoc in your preferred browser. Once you land on their homepage, you'll notice their promise to help you create, approve, track, and e-sign documents 40% faster. This feature alone can save you a significant amount of time and help maintain the flow of your business. Next up, it's time to log into your Pandadoc account. You'll find the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you're new to Pandadoc, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward, and you can quickly set up a new account to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Pandadoc home. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. Here, you can quickly navigate through different sections, access your documents, and begin creating new content. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, ensuring that even if you're new to document automation, you'll feel comfortable maneuvering through it. Your next step is to click on the Documents section. This is where you'll manage your files, see your recent documents, and even revisit older ones. The interface makes it easy to sort through files, filter them by date, and ensure you're always on top of your documentation needs. From here, let's move on to the Content Library by clicking on it. This feature is your personal treasure trove of reusable content. Whether you frequently use particular clauses, paragraphs, or templates, the Content Library stores them all. This way, instead of starting from scratch every time you create a document, you can drag and drop pre-saved content into your new ones, dramatically increasing efficiency. Finally, click on Content Item, and you'll access the details of your stored content. This is where you can edit, update, or organize your elements, making it easier the next time you need them. You'll find that maintaining an organized content library will save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. In just a few steps, you've learned how to harness the power of Pandadoc Smart Content to automate and streamline your documentation process. Keeping your documents organized and efficiently managed can drastically improve your workflow, giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. Thank you for joining me today, and happy documenting!